Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to discuss wedding season with you guys. I'm sure we are all bombarded this summer with a ton of weddings to attend, maybe even be in a couple. I always find weddings to be the perfect time to step out of your comfort zone, dress up, switch it up, be glam. I really don't do too much craziness with my hair, but I do feel like occasionally it's nice to wear like a deep side part. If you normally wear a side part, maybe wear a middle part, add some accessories, Today I'm gonna show you how I achieved this combed out loose wave. It kind of has this old Hollywood vibe to it, meets beachy, effortless waves, because let's just be real, that's my style. But you'll thank me later when you have all the weddings or any event really to attend that you wanna switch it up and look a little bit different, a little bit more glam. And I promise it's super easy, otherwise I wouldn't be showing you this. So to start out, my hair has been rough dried with the blow dryer, and I'm gonna take the T3 single pass with 1-inch barrel. This stuff is so powerful that you don't really need to have the full heat on, at least I don't. I've turned this on to heat 4, and I'm just gonna curl my hair, moving away from my face, center part as you see, and I'll show you how it goes from here. So I've grabbed about this much hair. I don't know if that's really helpful to you guys, but I don't put too much and not too little, kind of right in the middle. I do use the clasp and I roll it away from my face, depending on which side I'm working on. I hold it here for about 3 seconds, unravel once, and then I start to loosen the clamp and work down the hair. And I might do that 1 or 2 times. And then at the end, I pull so that my ends are always a little straight. The reason I unravel it, it just helps the barrel kind of glide through my hair easier. When I had super long hair, I always had to do this. So I'm sure people with longer hair will definitely have to unravel. The shorter your hair, the easier it is to curl, which is another reason I love that I cut my hair. We're gonna move on to the other side now. As you can see, I'm keeping the center part. What I do find to be a trick with the whole brushed out waves thing is part your hair down the middle, wave your hair on either side away from your face, and then flip your hair either way, depending on which side you like your part to be on. I always feel like doing it this way first adds a lot of volume at the base of your hair, at the root, which is key to this whole look. So let's start on this side. So now that I look like Shirley Temple, I am gonna comb out these waves. Normally what I would do is I would like zhuzh it with my hands and then I'd put some texture spray, but we are going for a little cleaner wedding season look. So I'm gonna use a T3 paddle brush and I'm just going to comb gently through it. From here, I'm gonna part my hair down the side and flip it over. Sometimes I just use like a neutral colored bobby pin to secure it to make sure that it stays tucked behind the ear, or you could take it a step further and add like an embellished pearl or, sparkly little barrettes. Those are super in style right now, so you can find those everywhere. But really, I feel like this is a nice classic look. You can't go wrong with this, especially for wedding season. And it's just like a nice switch up. It kind of makes you feel a little bit more glamorous, and I'm sure it's not the kind of style you wear every single day, so it's nice to kind of dress yourself up and look a little different. All right guys, that's it for today. I will make sure to link all these tools down below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.